Most people get this wrong. They think QuickMint is just another Payday or BNPL app, but the surprising truth in 2026 is that it combines early wage access, installment payments, and budgeting tools all on one platform. When used responsibly, it can help manage short-term expenses without leading to high-interest debt. Here's how QuickMint works. You can access part of your earned wages before payday, usually within hours. Eligible purchases can also be split into smaller installments over a few weeks. QuickMint charges a flat, predictable fee per advance or transaction instead of traditional interest, making it easier to know your costs upfront. Optional tools include spinning dashboards, repayment reminders, and alerts to track your cash flow. The downside? Overusing QuickMint can get expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments can add up quickly, and relying too much on the app may mask underlying budgeting problems. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only borrow what you can repay on time. 2. Set reminders for all repayments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to avoid repeated advances. Who should use QuickMint? People with stable income who occasionally need short-term cash for help managing larger purchases. If your income is unpredictable or repayment discipline is weak, QuickMint may cost more than it saves. In conclusion, QuickMint in 2026 is a convenient financial tool, but only when used wisely. Track fees, stick to repayment schedules, and treat it as a temporary solution. Subscribe for more honest financial reviews and tips for smarter money management.